A shocking assassination plot targeting US President Donald Trump has been uncovered after a federal jury in New York convicted a Pakistani national linked to Iran's powerful paramilitary force, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps or IRGC. According to US prosecutors, the accused, Asif Merchant, traveled to the United States in 2024 with the intention of arranging the assassination of American political leaders, including Trump. Authorities said Merchant had been tasked by Iranian handlers to organize a murder-for-hire operation on US soil. Investigators revealed that Merchant attempted to recruit contract killers after arriving in New York. Unbeknownst to him, the individuals he contacted were actually undercover FBI agents. During meetings in June 2024, he allegedly discussed the plan and paid around $5,000 as an advance to initiate the assassination plot. Prosecutors said the suspected targets included Trump as well as other high-profile US political figures such as Joe Biden and Nikki Haley. Authorities believe Trump was the likely primary target based on Merchant's research and communications. The alleged motive behind the plot was revenge for the 2020 US drone strike that killed Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani, an operation authorized by Trump. Merchant claimed during the trial that he was forced by Iranian officials to participate in the plan due to threats against his family in Tehran. However, prosecutors argued there was little evidence to support this claim and highlighted his active role in organizing the operation. The plot was ultimately foiled before any attack could occur. Merchant has now been convicted of terrorism and murder-for-hire charges and could face life imprisonment in the United States. The case has further intensified tensions between Washington and Tehran, with Iran denying involvement in any attempt to assassinate US leaders.